In today's video, I'll teach you how to send location on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to send the location, what you have to do is tap on the message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here Facebook Messenger will be opened. Tap on the conversation of the person that you would like to send the location to. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. If you look at bottom along with the message bar, you'll be able to find various icons. So tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for location and tap on it. Now you'll be able to share the live location with friend. You'll be able to keep your location secure. You can choose who you share with and you can change your mind anytime. So tap on this option, allow location access, that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option allow again. Now you can share your current location if you want, or you can also find a place or address. If you would like to find a place or address, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for the place that you would like to send the location of. Tap on it. Now you can see over here the location has been sent. So like this you'll be able to send the location. So that is how you send location on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.